What is up, my friends? Welcome once again to the video. I just want to start by saying thank you so much. This video is about thanking you. 8,000 subscribers. I finally reached 8,000 subscribers. I checked this morning right when I got off at work. I barely got home and I said, you know what, I'm gonna make a video of me thanking everybody out there who's still subscribed to my channel, who's barely subscribing to my channel. Everybody who's barely subscribed to my channel, welcome guys. My name is Danny. I make random videos of unboxing, of I make vlogs, I make off-road videos, I make a little bit of everything, you know, try to get a channel here going and getting it started for you guys. 8,000 subscribers. I am so happy, guys. Every time that I make a video about me saying thank you, you know, I give a little story. I say I started with a dream 5-6 years ago, making a YouTube channel. I started vlogging maybe last year I started vlogging and it turned out to be good. I'm so thankful. Thank you guys so much for everything. Every single subscriber out there, from the bottom of my heart, I'm so freaking thankful for everything. I never thought I would hit 8,000. In other words, I want to make an announcement too. One of my videos in YouTube reached 1 million views, over 1 million views. I've never ever thought that one of my videos would hit over 1 million views. I know it's probably not a lot, but to me it's unbelievable. That means that I have the power and the techniques to do million view videos. It's just that I don't have the time for it. But that has to definitely change this year. Trying to make something different from last year. Hopefully it works out. I haven't made a vlog in over, like, I think the last vlog that I made was like 4 months ago. I know I need to get my game on and you know, step it up a little bit. I know I wanted to reach 10,000 subscribers last year. By the end of the year, it didn't happen. It's okay. I'm not upset. Things like that happen. So I'm here, stronger than ever. I'm doing great. I hope everybody's doing great too. Like I said, old subscribers, thank you for still being here. New subscribers, welcome. Let me show you guys something. I think this is gonna change the game of my videos. Karma, guys. Hero 6 Black included. I barely got this. I cannot believe it. I'll get into more detail about this. I was gonna do an unboxing. That's the reason why I have this table set up. But it's gonna rain, guys. It's starting to get windy and it's gonna rain, so I don't want my equipment to get wet. I'm gonna do a separate video of the unboxing, not today, but maybe like Monday. Today it's Friday, but I will make an unboxing about this. I'm so freaking excited. This is gonna be a total game changer to my YouTube channel. Just wait for it, guys. Just wait for it. Thank you for all your good comments, your likes. I have another video on YouTube that has like 700,000 views and like 5,000 likes. It's so freaking amazing, guys. Nothing but good comments. It's so awesome to have good people out there, you know, people that support you and people that encourage you to make videos every day. But like I said, this year will be different. I promise. This year will be different and videos are coming, guys. Vlogs are coming, off-road videos are coming. Summer is almost here. I can't wait. I can't wait to show you guys what I have for y'all. Thank you guys so much once again, and as always, guys, have a nice day. Peace.